We learned about the buying climax and selling climax. Now there are some more topics, four topics. I have to show you those topics. These are the four topics. The one thing is down thrust, and then up thrust, and then pseudo down thrust and pseudo up thrust. How to understand these things? Just to follow the trend. When you are coming from the downtrend, it means we are coming with the red candles. The red candles will show us some things, some weakness in the market, and that weakness is the strength of the buyers. If we are watching, if we are feeling the weakness in the seller's candle, that means that is the strength of buyer and the weakness of the seller. Okay, in this way, market is coming down. Now I found here one thing. This type of candle. In the downtrend, so many times we are finding this type of candle, the red candle. It shows that sellers are now very, very weak in this candle. Sellers are weak. When sellers weak, then buyer have a chance to start from here in the up direction. Okay. So this candle in the downtrend, three candles maybe, four candles maybe, five candles maybe, you will see the red candles, but not from the first candle. From if there is a green candle, okay, this type of green candle, and then you find this type of red candle here. Don't follow this. You always follow when you are coming from the downtrend and you found this type of candle. Okay, that candle. The name is down thrust. How we know? How we confirm from the volume? These are the volume bars here. These are the volume bars. You will find on this candle this type of ultra high volume. Okay, this ultra high volume you will find in the market. The ultra high volume with this candle, it shows down thrust. Okay, down thrust. When down thrust we found in the market. So there are two activities. The one activity, immediate effect, market will change the direction. Okay, and then in near future market will change the direction. Near future after 2 to 3 candles. Okay, maybe one or two candle you will find red, then market will change the direction. So these what are things, the immediate effect. Sometimes you will find the immediate effect, sometimes you will find the in near future effect. Okay, all the price action and VSS suggest that you will find sometime immediate effect, sometime in near future. Here now we understand that we are coming from the downtrend. We found this type of down thrust candle, the pin bar is style doji. Okay, we can say the doji style pin bar also. the ultra high volume from all the average. From all the previous candles, we found the ultra high volume in this candle. That is a sign that market will continue in up direction. If you if this candle right close on the support level, you can place a 1 minute trade. If the candle does not close on the support level, so you have to wait when the candle close the support level. If there is a support where it close on the support level, you can take the 1 minute trade or you can take the 5 minute trade. The market will respect your trade. So that is what? That is a down thrust. Understand the down thrust. That is a down thrust. The ultra high volume shows the buyers have a pressure. The buyers want to go in up direction now. The buyers weakening this downtrend. The sellers are weakening here. The concept of the source, the sign of a strength is appearing here. It means the sellers are getting weak, the buyers are getting a strength in their strength. When buyers getting a strength, they will go in the up direction. That is the down thrust. And the trend you will find so many times this type of down thrust. Okay. There is also a signal in the PA, price action, that the buyers are now getting weak. We will find the next trend here, from here. And VSA also suggests that. That is a down thrust. That is one strategy here. Okay. After down thrust, you can place everywhere trade, but it must in the downtrend. If you are in the uptrend and you're finding here, maybe it will work, maybe not work. But in the downtrend, it shows the trend. In the trend, it means trend now get changing the direction. Always follow in the trend. Okay. Then another thing, pseudo down thrust. Here, when I'm talking on the down thrust, I told that the volume must be ultra high. When I'm talking the pseudo is a false. Pseudo means false. Pseudo means false. The pseudo concept is that two candles, high volume, and the third candle have a low volume previous two bars. Okay. So if I found this type of here, this candle, and I found volume like that, the previous candle's volume was that, and this candle have a volume which is lower than the previous two candles. That is a sign that sellers are now getting weak. The trend will change. The symbol is same. There is no change in the symbol. The shape is same. Down thrust is same. Down thrust shape is same. But the concept, two concepts are changed. The one concept, the ultra high volume you will find, and the another concept you will find this type, this candle, low volume from the previous two candles. The market will change the direction. Down thrust, pseudo down thrust. Okay. Now up thrust and pseudo up thrust. Here, this candle, this in the down thrust. If we are finding in the uptrend, if we invert this candle, then which candle we will found? This type of candle we will found. The same candle, but in the inverted shape, we will find. There is a red color. In the uptrend, we will find in the green color. Okay? Now, we are coming from the uptrend. This type of candle I found in the uptrend. In the price action, we are saying that is an inverted hammer or the shooting star. After shooting star, we know that the market will change the direction. But in the VSA, we say that is the up thrust. Okay, the up thrust. When up thrust come, if you find the volume is as compared to the previous candle, the volume is ultra high volume. Of this candle, the volume is ultra high volume. That is a sign that market will change the direction. But we have to wait. If this inverted candle, this candle, is closed on the support resistance level, then you have to place from trade from here on the next candle. But the support, if the resistance is here, then you have to wait. You one candle you will find it will come, it close here, then it will goes down. After this candle, you also can take a 5-minute trade. It will work. It will respect. Okay. So what is this? That is a candle which have ultra high volume as previous candles. The trend will change the direction. It's saying the up thrust. That is up thrust. And before we was in the downtrend, we found this candle with the ultra high volume. That is a down thrust. Okay. Now clear? Now the pseudo down thrust. The pseudo down thrust is what? The same candle, but the volume is now. You will find the volume in this type. So that is the volume of this candle. That is the volume of that candle. The candle is same. The place is same. Everything is same. Just the volume is different, differ from previous two candles. Low from previous two candles. That is the sign that market will change the direction. That's we say the pseudo up thrust. Now we understand the 4 things in this video. This, down thrust and pseudo down thrust. Up thrust, pseudo up thrust. The one concept of the volume, if down thrust, the volume must be ultra high. The pseudo down thrust volume must be low from the previous two candles. The up thrust volume must be ultra high. Pseudo up thrust volume must be low from two previous candles. That is 1 minute after Azan, I will continue. Yes, we are talking on the down thrust, up thrust, pseudo up thrust, pseudo down thrust. So we can apply in the market. Showing you some examples about these candles. That is down thrust. Okay, we are coming from the downtrend. This candle we found, the ultra high volume, it will change the direction of the candle. You can place 5-minute trade, will be winning trade. Okay, this type of down thrust you will find in the market. Here we find this type of candle, ultra high volume. It shows the market will go up. Why the next candlestick goes down here? Because maybe there is no support level. No support level. There is a support. Now it will goes up. You have to wait for the support level to identify where is the support level. So we say working when you understand the support and resistance also. And then that is an example of down thrust and another example of pseudo down thrust. Look at that is a same candle like in the downtrend. Here we found the volume is low from previous two candles. You will find the immediate effect is going up. Why immediate effect you found? There is a support level. It shows the two-time market is rejecting from that level. There is another wick here. This wick shows the support level. The market will change the direction. For 5 minutes, you can place a trade. Look at there. I found another example here. The pseudo up thrust. Look at why. If I say that is, I think that is the yes, I think that is the volume is of this candle. If that is the volume that you will find, the previous two candles low volume, it will goes down. And again, yeah, that is also a type. It shows the ultra high volume. Sometimes you will find this type of candle also. But don't follow this candle. But in the downtrend, after downtrend, you found this candle, ultra high volume. Market will go in up direction. Okay. But here you don't expect on this candle. Why? Because this is the start of the uptrend, downtrend. It's not an end of the downtrend, but that is the end of the downtrend. So now from here you can follow this candle. And then okay, there is the same down thrust. That was the same, I yes. No, there is another example. What is that? Yes, that was the pseudo down thrust, and that is the down thrust only. Look at ultra high volume. Okay. After that, market is going in up direction, and then only these two concepts I wrote here. Now we are going to the market, and we are finding the examples. Inverted hammer. The volume is ultra high volume from the previous two candles. The market, you will find the market is going down. Okay. In the uptrend, you will find this type of candle. It's a show short signal. Just I am finding that these four things which I teach you. When I found in the market, I will show you these things. Okay, that is the inverse. Before I give you these examples, then I will teach you the inverse down thrust. That is also an example. Okay. The volume is high from the previous candle, but the candle stop on the support level. After support level, it will change the direction. The support level is here. These candles are now stopping on the support level. then it will change the direction. For 5 minutes, how it's going up. Here, it's look like a down thrust, but it's not a down thrust because the wick is not longer. So now understand the wick must be longer 2 times from the candle. Okay, then we can consider, because in this downtrend that is not a sign of weakness. The market is going more down, but we must found this type of candle, okay, the big candle. Big means with in the wick. Look at this type of candle you will find. The ultra high volume market will change the direction. Okay, you can count these candles. The same down thrust candle from the previous two candle volume is low. The market will change the direction. It is going in up direction. And then look at how the beautiful example of the down thrust. Previous from two candles, the volume is low. Market how change the direction. Okay. So what is that? This candle, high volume from the previous candle, market is going down from the up thrust. Okay. So you have to identify the up thrust. Look at up thrust. How many times we are finding the up thrust? Market is going down with high volume. I found this candle, but the body is little bit larger. Okay, but the volume is not suggesting only. But if I take the trade for 5 minutes after confirmation that where is the support level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe it's swinging trade. Okay, look at this candle. Most of the time you will find the red color. Sometime you will find the green color. Okay, market is going up. Most of the time you will find the red color, but sometime you will find the green color. If the candle volume is from previous two candle is low, it will continue the market in up direction. Okay, so in the VSA concept, this red candle, this type of red candle in the VSA concept, that is a bullish pin bar. It's looking a bearish pin bar, but end of the trend it reacts as a bullish pin bar. The bullish pin bar, what? The bullish pin bar always price push in the up direction. It's looking a bearish pin bar, but this bearish pin bar, when it appears a start of the trend, then it will fall the market. But this bearish pin bar act as the down of the trend, end of the trend. It will push the market in up direction. Just to understand the concept, the bearish pin bar, if you found in the start of the trend, it will continue the market down. It will continue the market down. And found here, it will rise the market. So this is the concept. The concept is saying that that is a bullish pin bar. It's the color is the bearish color, red color, but it's insidely it shows the bullish pin bar. Okay. So here again I found the down thrust, up thrust, sorry. Okay, market is going down. in the down thrust and in the up thrust, there are the 100% sure shots, but I'm not telling you at this stage because you did not complete my work. Okay, so if you complete tomorrow, then I will share the 100% sure shot of the down thrust and up thrust. But just I give you concept for the 5 minute trading, but 1 minute trading concept I will never share today. Okay, so that was all about the down thrust, up thrust, and pseudo down thrust, pseudo up thrust. Find out the examples and then ask me about their queries. Now I'm going to show you the another thing. Two more concepts. Inverse up thrust, inverse down thrust, inverse pseudo up thrust, inverse pseudo down thrust. Four concept more. Oh, what? So four concepts we learned before, and four concept more. The inverse. The inverse is what? The inverse is here the down thrust candle is this type of candle. If I say inverse, then it will be this type of candle in the that is the inverse. When we are saying the hammer, the inverted hammer, what is the inverted hammer? Change the position in against. So against, if I say, it means inverse. So upthrust example, inverse upthrust. Here the upthrust was this type of candle. But I say inverse upthrust, then it will become this type of green candle. Down thrust. The down thrust was this candle. But when I say inverse down thrust, it will become this candle. Pseudo upthrust, the upthrust was here when the two volume is lower than from two volume. This the upthrust pseudo upthrust candle volume is lower than the two candles. If inverse upthrust, it means this candle volume is lower than the two candles. So just to understand with the shape, the concepts are same, okay? But the shape is changed here. This is the upthrust. This is the inverse upthrust. This is the down thrust. That is the inverse down thrust. Same concept, just shape is changed. When I say pseudo, in the down thrust, the volume is ultra high volume. When I say pseudo, the volume is lower than previous two candles. When inverse pseudo up thrust, the volume is lower than previous two candles. Pseudo up thrust or pseudo down thrust, volume is lower than two candles. The same concept. Just to identify the chart, will clear you tomorrow more, okay? About this. Just to give you the example that you are coming from the downtrend and instead of this candle, you will find this candle. That is the inverse down thrust. The volume is ultra high volume, market will go up. If the volume is low from previous two candle, market will go up. Same concept. You are in the uptrend. Here you find this type of candle instead of inverted hammer. That is the upthrust. This upthrust gives this now candle, the inverse upthrust. If the volume is ultra high volume, market will go down. If the volume is previous low from previous two candle, then market will go down. This concept is come from the pseudo, and this concept is come from the light ultra high volume. Ultra high volume. Okay, so today we understand the eighth concept of the VSA. But you have to just analyze in the mark sheet. practice on it, and then show me the results. At least one example of each concept I need from everyone. Okay, only one concept, one picture from each concept. The eight concept, eight pictures. Everyone must know. And if anyone did not provide eight concept tomorrow session, I will never allow him to sit in the tomorrow session. Okay? So eight concept are very important. Eight picture, eight concept, that is the ticket for your next session. Okay, so today I'm going to finish this session here. Okay, complete the work, and there is any query, send me on the group. Okay, thank you.